Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today, we're going to walk through the process of how to edit a footer in a Word document step by step. If you enjoy this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tips. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Word document you want to edit on your device. Step 2. Navigate to the top of the screen and click on the Insert tab. From the options that appear, select Footer, and then choose Edit Footer from the drop-down menu. Step 3. You can now add or change text in the footer area. If you need to remove the footer from the first page or make other adjustments, select Different First Page. Step 4. To insert page numbers, click or tap where you want the number to appear in the footer. Then, select Page Number and choose a style that fits your document. You might need to adjust the formatting to ensure it looks right. Step 5. Once you're finished with your edits, click on Close Header and Footer to exit the editing mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.